Hello, good morning to you everyone. Welcome to IMFXGlobal. We're looking into technical analysis for today, 15th of November 2019. And before we start, I wanted to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're just joining us, and you can also turn off the notification bell and like our videos if you love them, if they are helpful to you, and try as much as possible to share with your colleagues. Okay, we do daily analysis every day on what's our view about the forex market and what we are looking at and possibly hoping to take in the future. Okay, so before we continue, a bit disclaimer: forex is a risky business, so try as much as possible to use money management when it comes to trading, and be careful with what you get involved with. Okay, so let's start with GDP USD. With been looking into the GDP for a while now, and after seeing this rally up, let me pick up my pen. So after seeing this nice rallying up into this position, you can see price jumped in right there into this region, and could see this kind of resistance around this region, expecting the GDP USD to pull back into this nice support zone, hopefully. So, and possibly we'll see a downward continuation of the GDP in a long-term trade. So that's all for GDP USD, and let's head to GDP net. Okay, very nice. Look out for Netherlands. You could see after we had this breakouts from this trend line, okay, you could see price as actually hold up into a range region. We'll be seeing more of pullback before any breakout into this region would rally into taking profit, taking a trade to the upside, or we'll possibly see a reversal candle. But then before we look into it, I want to see the moving averages. It's just so okay, 200. So I see the 200 moving average shows that we're in an upward trend, but possibly we should be able to see some sense of a pullback into this region, and you can see the 26 region has been actually holding up for a while, but if we see a break into this region, might be a big setup for a continuation to the 50% region. Okay, so we'll be looking into that. Hopefully a breakout of this place will give us an opportunity to set the pace for possible continuation downward trend. Okay, so AUD USD, let's look into the AUD USD. Yeah, the AUD USD have been very nice. We've been able to take a couple of trades into this region, and we'll see this breakout of this region. Let me get this off. See this trend. So we took this nice trade into this breakout, and could see a possible pullback into this region before we'll be able to get another downward trend into the region. So hopefully that will be a very good setup, and we'll be looking at this point as our take profit zone. That should be 66875 hopefully. So those are position we're looking into. Let's get into GDP card. GDP card has been funny for a while now, and price has been heading up into this region. We were able to take this trade, looking for opportunity of breaking out after having this double top scenario. So we got into the price, and price that heading up back into this region, and this is more or less like the reaction from the market makers trying to create more volatility in the market. People are expecting the price to actually jump in, and you can see right there showing a sign of hold up into this area. You can see it's been holding up for a while, and that could be a very good opportunity for a downward trend to set in. So and we're looking to take few profit around this region, and we've been able to highlight this region for take profit zone, but either way we could see a continuation into this trend line area. So but now the price is gradually pulling back into the region as expected. So we'll also look into the 4 hours. You could see right there price holding up around this support area, and yeah, price holding up into this support area right there. So and the trend line, so a break into this trend line will further lead us into this downward movement, and looking into the 200 moving average. So let's be optimistic with that, and hopefully the setup is made. But so far so good. GDP card will look for continuation down into the region, hopefully. So let's look into yeah, GDP card break out of the 200 MA downwards, and you could see price holding up a little pullback into the region. Could hit us back down into a lovely nice trend line upward here. So a kind of reaction around this region will give us a proper view of what kind of trade we want to take, and possibly head down to this position. So these are trades that we'll be looking into taking earlier on today or possibly next week. Okay, yeah, but I love this setup, and I'll be looking to take that trade. So yeah, nice one for gold. Oh, we've been able to get an entry into the gold right here, and we took profit right here into this support line right here, and expecting a pullback into this region, okay, to have a double top. Then we'll have a continuation to the upside, to the 23 area. So this could be a very nice one, but who says that this trade is going to happen this way? We could also have price heading down again, and price continuation into the downward area, 100%, yeah, right here. So let's be optimistic, and we'll possibly have to see how trade actually reacts later on. Okay, so and let's look at Aussie JPY. Yeah, very nice setup. We took profit into this region, and yeah, we took a trade right here from group, shared a signal, and took a trade right here into this region, expecting price to get there, and so yesterday price pulled back into this region, and were able to fake profit. So a very nice pullback into this region, and I would love price to actually rally into this resistance line. Then we'll be looking for an opportunity to join in the downward trend after breaking this this trend line. Okay, so hopefully we'll be able to get that set up, but I'll still want price to jump up into this region. Then we'll be able to take a very nice and decent profit trade right there, and that should put us in a massive profit. Okay, so then let's look into USD. Euro USD has been very nice. We've been able to get into the Euro USD right in here, and from those who are in our group channel, we took looking into this position, and you can see a very nice setup right there, and we joined the trade, and our potential take profit zone is right here, but because of scalping we took false profit right here, and price rallied into this very nice resistance line. So we'll be hoping to join the trade. To my bias movement is that price will head up into this region, possibly this point where you want to look into for potential take profit zone. So yeah, possibly you have so right there, resistance right there. Okay, so we'll also be looking into this region. Then also be looking at this nice region for a take profit zone. So at sales price is not going together. We might be having a pullback into this position before we have a continuation downward. So hopefully that gives us a very nice setup. By the end of today, we'll see how price end up, and today marks the end of the week. So let's keep positive and hopeful that we'll be able to have a very nice ending week into and preparation for the new week next week, and we'll have nice profit. So basically those are the trades that I'm looking into, and will be willing to fake. Okay, so thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like videos, turn off the notification bell, and share to your colleagues. Okay, I wish you guys best of luck. From me, signing out.